हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू पढ़िए विद प्राची। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं चैप्टर 5 अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन ऑफ क्लास 10 CBSE मैथमेटिक्स NCERT। सो अभी शुरू करते हैं हम ये चैप्टर। The last three questions that we are going to do is 18th, 19th and 20. They are a little bit of a different kind of questions. They are problem sums and a little bit different. So let's see how it is done. So it says that there is a spiral. Now there is a point A, a point B. A spiral is made by keeping this and this as the center. So semicircles are made, right? So it says that starting with center at A, then when this goes here, then center becomes this. So that means now center again becomes this. So what is this? This is 1, 1.5, 0.5, 1. And then, so this is 1. So what is this? 1 point. So basically पहले सबसे पहला सेमी सर्कल का ये है, फिर 1 है, फिर 1.5 है. Let's again see for this. Now it will be this. So it will be 2. So यहाँ से ये 1 है, ये है ना. So ये 1 है, 0.5, 2. ये 1 ऑलरेडी है, तो ये इतना इधर, तो ये ऐसे ये है. So 2. So this. So we have to net. It keeps on going, right? And we have to find the sum of them. Circumference, the spiral है, इसका सम हमको पता करना है. बेसिकली हमको सर्कमफ्रेंस का सम पता करना है. तो कैसे पता करेंगे और कब कितना पता करना है हमको? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट टिल फॉर 13 सच कंसेक्यूटिव स्पाइरल. सो n इज इक्वल टू 3. सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट टर्म हियर? सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द फर्स्ट semicircle is pi r. We know the formula is this, which is 0.5 pi. Second one pi, third 1.5 pi. So what is the series? 0.5 pi, 1.5 pi, pi, 1.5 pi, 2 pi, 2.5 pi and so on. So what is A? A is 0.5 pi. What is D? 0.5 pi, right? So we have to find Sn, where n is equal to 13 or what? 13 consecutive spirals. So what is this? 13 by 2, 2 into A, which is 0.5 pi, plus 13 minus 1 into D, which is again 0.5 pi. So what is this? 0.5 pi को हम बाहर भी निकाल सकते हैं. 13 by 2 into 0.5 pi, 2 plus 12, 20, 14. अब पाए को हम क्या करेंगे? 22 by 7 and 14. 2, 11, 2 has a 10, 143. This is the answer. It's a very good question. अभी यहाँ पे मुंबई में बारिश हो रही है, तो मेरा बोर्ड जो है थोड़ा अंधेरा दिख रहा होगा, बट आई थिंक इट्स विजिबल. ओके, so let's move on to the 19th question of exercise 5.3, chapter 5, arithmetic progressions. Second last question, guys, second last question. Just some more to go. So it says that 200 logs are stacked in the following manner: 20 in the bottommost row, 19 in the next row, 18 . So how many rows are the 200 logs placed in how many? So basically it's saying that the first term is 20 and D is minus 1. It's saying that Sn is equal to 200. We need to find n and we need to find L basically. What is L? A plus n minus 1D. ये हमको पता करना है. हमको an find करना है. an find करने के लिए we need to find out n. We know the sum is this. So let's write 200 equal to n by 2, 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into minus 1. Okay, we can take this here 400 n 40 minus n plus 1, 39n minus n square, 400. So the equation that we have to solve is this. Okay, what is this number? 8 into 50, 8 into 2 into 25, 16 into 25, 50 and 8, no. So this will be okay. So you can see that there are two values of n. So let's find out a plus this number, right? So let's find this out, putting both. What is a? 20 plus n, if n is 25, 25 minus 1 into minus 1, 20 minus 20. This can't be negative, so we are not taking this. Substituting this, so n is equal to 60, and this, because see, in a normal AP where it was a normal scenario, both of them are possible. What does it mean? That it reaches negative and then it goes on to the other side, so that there are numbers which cancelling each other out. But in this case, it's a problem sum, right? It's a problem sum of logs, so cannot be negative. We cannot have negative logs. How do you expect negative logs? Let me know that. So moving on to the last question. I want to pick one more question though, which is an optional exercise, just for the fun of it. I actually love to do this, right? I can keep solving and all, but somehow when I'm teaching also probably it's fine, but here what I'm doing is, I mean, I don't know why I'm telling this in this recording, but because this is a class recording, but let me just tell you. हो क्या रहा है ना, मैं यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ, उसके बाद मुझे इसको मिटाना पड़ रहा है, तो मैं तब रिकॉर्डिंग रोक रही हूँ, तो एक ब्रेक आ रहा है बार बार. दूसरा फिर इसमें सो ये हो रहा है, तो अभी ऐसा हो रहा है, तो फिर वो ब्रेक आ रहा है, तो वो एक कंटिन्यूस मोमेंटम. सो इट्स लाइक अभी एज ऑफ नाउ आई एम नॉट जस्ट अ टीचर, बट आई एम एक्चुअली अ पर्सन हु इज क्रिएटिंग अ कंटेंट, राइट? बट ठीक है, अभी हमने यही प्रोफेशन चूज़ किया है, तो आई डोंट नीड टू रैंट. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दैट यू नो, आप भी मेरी चीज़ समझिए. मैं पूरा समझाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ अच्छे से आपको. आप मुझे बताइए और कैसे बता सकती हूँ, और स्लो कर सकती हूँ उसको, और छोटे छोटे भागों में डिवाइड कर सकती हूँ मे बी. बट मेरा अभी एजेंडा ऐसा है कि मैं इतना भी भागों में डिवाइड नहीं करना है, और हमको उसको ख़त्म करना है, सिलेबस ख़त्म करना है हमको भाई. और समझना तो है ही, समझा तो मैं रही हूँ. Okay, in a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato. So supposing there's a bucket. So first potato is here, it's at a distance of 5 meters. Second potato is placed at a distance of 3 meters. This is 3 meters, then 3 meters, then 3 meters. So क्या हो गया? A equal to 5, B equal to 3. ये समझ आ गया सीधे. A competitor starts from the bucket. यहाँ से a person starts, goes to this, then again comes back this, picks the potato, puts in the bucket, then again goes from this to this, come back to, then again goes from this to this, come back to this, then again goes from this to this, come back to. What is this? If I look at it in this 2a, what is this? Twice second term. What is this? Twice third term. अगर हमें इसका सबका, if you want to add it, तो 2 तो सबका ही है, बाकी तो जस्ट SN. इट्स बेसिकली 2SN दैट वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट. सो क्वेश्चन इज, देर आर 10 पोटैटोज, 1 2 3 4. एक पोटैटो यहाँ है, एक पोटैटो यहाँ है, 10 पोटैटो हैं. सो N इज़ 10, सो इट इज़ 2 of SN. 2 into 10 by 2, A is what? 5 10 minus 1 into 3. पता नहीं कुछ गलत तो नहीं है ना? गलत है. I don't know why I keep forgetting this. There's something wrong here. Let's figure it out. What is the wrong? So when the person moves from here to here, moves 5 and then comes back 5 into 2, moves 5 plus 3 and comes back 5 plus 3 into 2, moves 5 plus 3 plus 3 till so on, right, till the last potato, right? So what is this? 2 तो पहले यहाँ से कॉमन लेके बाहर ले जाओ इसे, right? What is this? A plus what is this? It's actually a plus d, right? What is this? A plus 2d, right? Plus a plus 9d. So it's a sum of these numbers, right? Sum of an AP, which is what? 10 by 2, 2a plus 9d, right? Nine into 5, 9 into 3. 9 into 3 is what? 27. I think मैंने okay, anyways, 27 plus 10, 37. 370 is the answer. So the answer is 370. I'm just doing one more question for fun. It's actually not needed because this is more from a different purpose. It's like a थोड़े से difficult questions हैं. हमारा question अभी तक जितना किया था उतना ही है. But so here we have to find, first is a is 121. What is d? Minus 4. We have to find the first negative term. That means a plus n minus 1, d is less than 0, which is the first negative term. Substitute here. So this is the answer. How do you like this question? It's a little different question. It's not part of the syllabus obviously, but it's just an interesting one, right? So guys, what all have we studied so far in arithmetic progression? Revising it. What is an arithmetic progression? An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number d to the preceding terms. Hence an AP is like this, a except the first term, a plus 2d, a plus n minus 1d. So what is term n? This. We also learned the sum of the first n terms of an AP, and I also found out that I always miss this 2 somehow and end up doing and we can also represent this as this. So this is it. If A, B and C, what is B? A plus C by 2. This is known as arithmetic mean, AM. Okay, that's just a note, side note. So that is it. That's it for AP arithmetic progression. Hopefully you guys understood. I hope आपको ये चैप्टर अच्छे से समझ आ गया हो. Let me know if you have any comments, any questions, any feedback, any queries in the comment section below, or maybe on the live session. I can pick it during the live session and address it there, or maybe make another video. Till then, सीखिए with Prachi, जानिए with Prachi, पढ़िए with Prachi, and like, share, comment and subscribe to पढ़िए with Prachi.